Hello guys, just want to give you a quick tour of my room here on the 6th floor in the Holiday Inn in Shin Osaka. Well, I guess this is the bathroom. So they have pretty good amenity, even a scale, towels, in the bathroom, bathtub, shower, and amenities. This is a bathroom, a separate bathroom with a little sink, and the kitchen with the induction stove, microwave, and a pretty good size refrigerator. I just bought some eggs and a couple items for now. Nothing in the freezer. So here's the washer and dryer combined. This is trash bins, I believe. Unburnable and burnable. Everything is so organized. Cupboard. So this is my long stay. That's why I get this kind of hotel room. I can cook my dinner if I want to. But I doubt it. This food is so delicious. Anything I use the microwave more to warm up the heat up the food. Amenities, utensils, pots and pans. Just the usual, and I noticed most hotels here they have pajamas for you. And a safe, more drawers. Okay, even this is a humidifier, I believe. Humidifier in the room, and lots of drawers here for desk, a work desk, TV, more drawers and storage stuff. It is a king size bed, and this is my view from the 6th floor. Yeah. So today I moved up here to 6th floor from the 2nd floor. I just stayed there for since last Friday, but it's too noisy and it's too close to the trucks down there. If you can see down there, there's like a driveway. Sometime at night there's a truck coming in. So I told them, I said, I'd like to move further away from the truck. They gave me this room, the same room but higher floor, so much brighter. I can see the sky more too. Awesome. That's it for my room tour.